Hi everyone, Tajahao. This part 4 of the tutorial will be doing the job search where we could filter it, specify or narrow down based on whatever uh, the criteria is, or narrow down the search that you wish to look for example. And then you can search based on the keywords and so on. So first thing first, you can create improve your cosmetic purposes such as adding image within the group. So you have image inside the group itself, and then the group B itself is inside that group. So you consider that you have groups within groups, for example. So that's it. The second part is that you wish to insert another group. So in that group itself, you have input title where you could job role, and then also input another one with change it with address. All right. So that's it. And then the third part of the group is that you do it to filter it. So create it with text, and then also use the drop down method for this. All right. Um, give you example for this. You can specify the job type. As you can see, change it to dynamic choices, and then type of choices would be the job type, where you can find it from the option sets, which is already based on the part 1 of it. And then you can see the remote friendly also job type, you can see here. So if you change it, this is how it works. So moving back to the job type, and then we proceed with the remote friendly. So again, you can see that there's a remote friendly there. So remote friendly, you can change it whatever you wish to do. Then also based on the job category again, based on it's on the option sets. So that's it for the third group itself. Right, so the main group is that you need to create group itself, another new group. Okay, create another new group, just a simple one. And then after that, create a repeating group. Okay, put it inside that group. You change it number of rows and then also column into one. Okay, just and then also create another button, drag it to see more jobs. Alright, so in that repeating group itself, you have to create a new custom state of element, which is serial number and then default value by 4. Alright, so you can insert the current sales jobs and so on by dragging the text visual elements to it. So you could add emoji, you could have images of the company logo and so on. So if you see it, current sales jobs, companies, and then company's logo. And after that, create a button, find out more. So the find out more will be specifying all the job listings that you wish to create on. Those will be listed on the marketplace. Alright, so yes, here's the thing. So do a search for method, then search for jobs. Then you can see there's a location contain keywords, extract by city. You can change it to a country, for example, or based on specific vicinity or location that you wish to include. And then also for category contain keywords, drop down select job category display, and then role based on the input job role value, and then job type, the drop down value, and then also remote friendly. For the job status equal to approve, which means that every job listings has to be approved by the admin. So you can see here option set, you have approved, decline, and pending. And then also on the data types, you can see that the job status, job listing status. Alright, okay, now you create items until, then repeat it, group jobs. Okay, between group jobs, and then serial. Serial is the one, the what's called the custom set of element that we have just created. Okay, so that's it for that step itself. And now we are focusing on see more jobs. So see more jobs, we have created the conditions. Do a search for jobs again, location, contain keywords, input search by a value, so city, role, and also job type, filter job type. So, and then also create aromatics smaller than repeating group jobs, and then serial based on the custom state of elements that we have created. On the appearance side, you can create the edit workflow, set states of serial elements, select the repeating group jobs, serial, then repeating groups jobs, serial plus 5. So that every job setting that you have created will be extended further when you click see more jobs. And then for now, the see more jobs, find out more is that you could create another page, go to page, and then create a job posting for the job itself. Alright, so that's how it goes for the demo. As you can see here, if you wish to include, like for example, NFT, and then that NFT job listing will be appear. And for 3D, the 3D artist will appear. Let's go for the location. If you type London, it will only appear the London jobs available. Alright, let's move on to the job category. Prompt management, as you can see, the NFT developer, and 3D artist if you choose for UI UX design. And then for the full remote, you can see, but however all of them are full remote. And if you select no, it will not appear anymore at all, because they are not available non-remote jobs. Okay, that's it, and see you guys next part.